Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. I want you to be notified each time that I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful and simple all matte look using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is a palette that I picked up during my mega holiday haul, and this is a gorgeous palette. This is an all matte palette, and I am totally in love with this palette at this point. The shades in this palette, they are absolutely beautiful. As I said, they are all matte, but it makes for a really soft and stunning look. So I decided to pair this look today also with just some lip gloss, just a simple nude lip. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. My face has been moisturized, and I'm going to be priming my face with the Versace Skin Tune Blur Primer Serum, and I'm going to be priming my eyes using the Angel Eyes from Luscious. And I'm using the color Lanternus as my brow bone highlight. And I'm using the color Succubus as my transition shade. And I'm just taking my time and building this Succubus color up to my desired intensity. And I'm using the color Soleus in my crease area. And I'm going to take a little bit more of the Succubus color to blend these two shades together. And I'm using the color Shax. This is the black color in the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour palette. And I'm just placing this on my outer V and sweeping it more tightly into my crease area. As I mentioned before, all the shades in this palette are matte shades, but I'm really liking how this look is coming together. I have carved out my lids and I'm using whatever color or the remaining Shacks color that I have on my brush, and I'm just softening up the outer portion of where I have carved out my lids. And now I am taking the color Nude and I'm going to pack this onto my lids. I'm using a small packing brush to do this. I believe this is a MAC 242, and this is a beautiful matte peachy type of color. So I'm just packing this onto my lids. This is turning out to be a very soft but somewhat bold look at the same time. I really like this look a lot. And now I'm taking the color Samael, not sure how to pronounce that, but I'm using this color to marry the Shacks color, which is the black color, and the Nude color, which is the lighter color that I've already placed on my lid, just to marry these two colors together. And I'm using the colors Solace to add a little bit more definition into my crease area. Very, very pretty. And instead of using a typical black eyeliner in my waterline, I decided to go with a flesh color eyeliner, not white, but a flesh color, and I'm just lining my eyes with this very nude type shade. I completed my complexion off camera, but I'm going to finish off the eyes and I'm going to go into Shacks once again. That's the black color, and I'm going to be using that to smoke out my waterline. I'm also going to use a little bit more of the shade Succubus in my waterline as well, just to smoke out that under eye area. And I'm using the color Lucius for my inner corner highlight. You guys know I like a little shimmer on my lid, but for this to be an all matte look, I think it turned out really, really pretty. And now I'm using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the color B. This blush is extremely pigmented, so I'm being careful and I'm going in with a very light hand. This is my first time using a blush from Juvia's Place, but I really like the blushes. They're very beautiful. And now I'm using a highlighter from Morphe. It's in the color Spark. I'm applying this product in the normal places that you would apply highlight. That's at the highest point of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. This color was so soft and beautiful, I decided to add just a little bit more just above my eyebrows. I'm going to add some lip gloss, and this look is done. I probably slaughtered the names in the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette, but that's okay because these shades are absolutely gorgeous. I like the formula of the shadows in this palette. They are pigmented and they blend out beautifully. Have you guys purchased any of the Kat Von D palettes? If so, which of her palettes are your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to comment and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.